Hello and welcome. Today we will show you how to compose a single classifier from your binary decision diagrams. Go to the .comp file, open it, and drag over a composition function. Again, we will name it for what this operation we're going to perform. In this example, it will be email urgent. Next, we will open the DD file, and we will bring over the binary decision diagrams that we created earlier. We will drag these into the diagram, and then we will join the binary decision diagrams to our composition function. We will do this using the binary operators, which you can find on the right hand side. Drag these into the center, and then join your binary operator to your composition function, and then the BDDs to the binary operator. You will see that in the bottom left, in the model validation window, that all checks are passed. Means that this composition is valid. You will also see when you're joining to a binary operator, you'll get a left operand and a right operand. That's just the order in which they have joined. Once again, you need to save this composition for it to appear in the .comp folder. So we will show an invalid composition. This means that one of the paths is not reachable. Therefore, there's been an invalid composition using the binary operations. In this example, we will introduce two new binary decision diagrams, joining them using the AND binary operator, and then we will join the previous composition function to these two new binary decision diagrams. Upon saving of this new composition, in the bottom left corner in model validation, the all checks passed will go from a green tick to a red tick to show that there is an invalid connection in the model. This means when you go to generate the code, it will come up with an error.